So this is a review of Lego City tow trucks, and you get one minifigure, which can drive the truck, and he can walk and open the door. He can jump in and drive away, and you also get a truck, which is pretty cool because it can roll. You can also open up. You can open up the two doors. You can also open up these two doors, and then you get two light sticks, so the cars don't drive this way, so because there would be a car down here. And you can even roll this up. Go up, and it can go down. Thank you for watching. I hope you watch the other videos, and have a good day.